Hello students, this is my part 5 video of the most important question series, the chapter biomolecule. Biomolecules. Today we'll start the question number 21. Which of the following is the correct matching? Which of the following is the correct matching of the three items and their grouping categories So items here and the group. So we will write the options. First one, Malleus incus cochlea. And this is the ear ossicles, that is ear ossicles. Then B option, that is Ileum ischium pubis. Here this is the coxal bones of pelvic girdle. Then C option, that is actin myosin rhodopsin. Actin myosin rhodopsin muscle protein, and D is cytosine uracil thiamine. This is pyrimidines. So here from the above three, particularly Malleus incus cochlea, really Malleus incus steps, ear ossicles, so this is wrong one. Ileum ischium pubis, really pelvic girdle, here not the coxal bones. And actin myosin rhodopsin, this rhodopsin is found in eye, so this is not the muscles proteins. So here what happens, finally this one, particularly cytosine uracil thiamine, these three are the pyrimidine nitrogenous bases. So this is the correct answer. Which one of the following pair pairs is wrongly matched? So it is very important, that is wrongly matched. A option, that is detergents lipase. B option, alcohol nitrogenase. And third one is fruit juice pectinase. D option, that is textile amylase. So So here what happens, which one of the following is wrongly matched? So wrongly matched is here alcohol and nitrogenase, and others are matched like detergents lipase enzyme used, and fruit juice pectinase, because calcium magnesium pectate the juice become more transparent, and textile amylase on amylose fibers. So question number 23, that is in the DNA molecule, in the DNA molecule, in the DNA molecule, the first option is the total amount of purine nucleotides, the total amount of purine nucleotides and pyrimidines nucleotides is not always, pyrimidines nucleotide is not always equal, B option, that is there are two strands which run parallel in the 5' to 3' or 5' to 3' direction, and C option, the proportion of adenine in relation to thymine varies with the organism, and D option is there are two strands which run anti-parallel to one in 5' to 3' direction, and the other that is 3' to 5'. So in the above option all these are wrong option, but this fourth one, that means the characteristics of DNA, that means anti-parallel strands, one in 5' to 3 and another in 3' to 5'. So this is the correct option, because you know that in DNA what happened. So this is 5', this is 3', this is 3', and this is 5'. Then question number 24, which one of the following pair which one of the following pairs of nitrogenous bases of nucleic acids is wrongly matched with the category mentioned against it. So first option, that is thymine, uracil, pyrimidines. and B option, that is uracil cytosine, that is pyrimidine, and here C option, guanine, adenine, that is purine, and adenine thymine purine, purine. So it is clear that here which one is particularly wrongly matched. So I have to find out, or we have to find out which one the wrong matching. So this is adenine, guanine is really purine, here the thymine is there, so this is the wrong one. And the last question, that is 25. Modern detergents contains enzyme. Modern detergents contain enzyme preparation of A option, that is acidophiles, then B option, alkaliphiles, then the C option, thermoacidophiles, and the D option, thermophiles, and the D option, thermophiles. So here important is that particularly the pH 8 to 10 the enzymes act, and particularly in alkali mediums. So modern detergents, so they mainly contains the enzyme preparation from, that is alkaliphiles. So this is the correct answer. This is all about the question series 5th, and then next we will see the 6th series.